Kuroda, Techno, a pioneer of ultrasonic soldering technological company. We develop and manufacture unique soldering systems for photovoltaic field. Today, we are introducing our bonding process. First one is spot bonding. Spot bonding is soldering point to point by ultrasonic. Next is ribbon soldering at same point for electrodes. Mainly silicon series thin film manufactured could catch on this system. Second is two-step line bonding. First stage is pre-line soldering by ultrasonic. Second stage is ribbon soldering on collinear for electrodes. Mainly CIS photovoltaic module manufactured could catch on this system. Last one is direct line bonding. Direct line bonding is soldering on substrate directly by ultrasonic. Mainly organic light emitting diode manufactured could catch on this system. Our philosophy is Soul in Technology, based on development by tomorrow's technology. Achieve the satisfaction and reliabilities for the customers. Kuroda Techno is the leading manufacturer of ultrasonic soldering.